Okay, we've taken our pieces out of the clamps. They're nice and dry. And the next step is to cut them into squares that are 8.5 inches. Now, we're pretty close already, but we have to get it as close to square as we can. So I've set the table saw up at 8.5. And we're going to use one of the edges here that we already lined up when we were gluing it, and simply run the piece through a table saw on all 4 sides. That side's already right. This one's... Okay. That's about as close to square as we're going to get on the table saw with this pass. So we need to take our framing square and take a look at it and see how square it is. Not very. Well, we do have a good square edge there. So we're going to go back and set the base in just a little bit and do a couple more passes to make this square. Okay, that should work fine, and now we're ready to start cutting some trim.